Those do look cool. So this is my Nerf A-10 integration. It fires the stock Rival rounds. So these are little soft foam balls that Nerf makes. Inside here is the minimized flywheel cage from the Nerf Zeus, and it'll hold 12 of the balls inside of the stock Rival clip or magazine or whatever you want to call it. And then that has been modified as well to take out the little ball retention mechanism so that I can fit it more easily into the aircraft. So load it in here, and then a little piece of foam goes in the back to apply tension, and then a little strap goes over the top here. Make sure nothing falls out in flight. So on my transmitter, I have two separate commands, both on the same switch. So one arms the flywheel, so it revs them up. And then the second stage of that three-position switch opens a servo, which controls the ball gate. So that just gets out of the way of the balls, and then all the balls can be fed by the spring in the back of the magazine. So here we go. So it empties all 12 balls in fraction of a second, and then I can come and land, quickly pull out the mag, and then put more balls in. I can do that as long as the batteries will last.